All right. Just arrived this week. Look what I got here, 2024 Jeep Gladiator, which comes in 4 trim levels, Sport, Willys, Rubicon, and my trim level, Mojave. To be clear, this is not a review, more of some highlights and preview since I just got it. I do know under the hood, 3.6 liter V6, 285 horsepower, made it to either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy and mixed driving, basically around 17 miles per gallon. There are some subtle upgrades for 2024, namely this redesigned front grille, just like you'd find on the Wrangler. Also available, power adjustable front seats. There's also this Jeep Adventure Guide system where you can access 62 off-road trails and even more if you want to upgrade even further. This 5-foot bed behind the cabin has a 1,700-pound payload, and if you cover it up, 35.5 cubic feet of volume. Towing capacity, 7,700 pounds. Here's a look at your backseat legroom and headroom. First impressions from a guy who's 5'11". This is my position as a driver up front. Not too bad for the Gladiator, which again is basically a Wrangler. Headroom too is good. It's actually pretty good here with this roof line. And here's something pretty cool. I'm not sure if you would consider it an Easter egg, but nonetheless, it's awesome. Fold down the chair here, and back behind the chair, they've got a mobile speaker. So whatever you play here in the vehicle, you can go out in the tailgate and have your music outside. The cab behind the bed is basically a Jeep Wrangler, but as a midsize pickup truck, it competes with the Colorado, Ranger, and Tacoma. The Gladiator is available in both a soft top and a hardtop, and since these panels do come off, it is the only midsize pickup truck available as a convertible. You probably already know this, but the back seats do come up nice and conveniently like this, and if you do choose to make it a convertible, those panels go in this bag right here, which Jeep provides you. MSRP on a 2024 between $40,000 and $55,000 on those 4 trim levels. Of course, I have it for a full week, so I'm very excited about what's in store. Can't wait to showcase it here in the next couple of weeks. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Adios. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel. See you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.